वह मेरा है। That is mine. That is mine. आइए शुरू करें। Let's get started. Let's get started. खाना खाओ। Eat food. Eat food. जाओ नहीं। Don't go. Don't go. खुश रहो। Stay happy. Stay happy. तुम कहाँ थे? Where were you? Where were you? हमारे साथ चलो। Come with us. Come with us. हमारे पास समय है। We have time. We have time. मैं आपको बहुत याद करती हूँ। I miss you a lot. I miss you a lot. हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Where are we going? Where are we going? हम घर जा रहे हैं। We are going to home. We are going to home. अनदेखा करना सीखो। Learn to ignore. Learn to ignore. बाद में बात करते हैं। Talk to you later. Talk to you later. क्या आप उसे देख सकते हैं? Can you see her? Can you see her? मुझे वापस कॉल करें। Call me back. Call me back. तुम्हारी समस्या क्या है? What is your problem? What is your problem? मैं और आगे नहीं बता सकता। I can't explain further. I can't explain further. सच हमेशा कड़वा होता है। The truth is always bitter. The truth is always bitter. मेरी बातों का बुरा मत मानो। Don't mind my words. Don't mind my words. तकलीफ देने के लिए माफी चाहता हूँ। Sorry to bother you. Sorry to bother you. अपने दिमाग का इस्तेमाल करो। Use your brain. Use your brain. मुझे घर छोड़ दो। Drop me home. Drop me home. उसे गाली मत दो। Don't abuse him. Don't abuse him. कल मिलते हैं। See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. इसे दिल पर मत लो। Don't take it to heart. Don't take it to heart. मैं वादा करता हूँ। I promise. I promise. मैं परेशानी में हूँ। I am in trouble. I am in trouble. मेरे साथ पंगे मत लो। Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. संपर्क में रहना। Keep in touch. Keep in touch. मुझ पर एक एहसान करना। Do me a favor. Do me a favor. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा। I don't understand. I don't understand. मुझे देखने दो। Let me see. Let me see. मूर्ख मत बनो। Don't be silly. Don't be silly. तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? वह कहाँ जा रहा है? Where is he going? Where is he going? मुझे यह पसंद है। I like this. I like this. हमें इंतज़ार करना है। We have to wait. We have to wait. वह काम कर रहा है। He is working. He is working. मुझे मत बताओ। Don't tell me. Don't tell me. मुझे यह चाहिए। I need this. I need this. इसे ठीक करो। Fix this. Fix this. यह सही है. This is right. This is right. मुझे कुछ बताओ. Tell me something. Tell me something. क्या यह सही है? Is this correct? Is this correct? हमें यह करना है. We have to do this. We have to do this. कृपया अंदर आएं. Please get in. Please get in. यह किसने किया? Who did it? Who did it? तुमने ऐसा क्यों कहा? Why did you say that? Why did you say that? मुझे एक तकिया चाहिए. I need a pillow. I need a pillow. मैं खुद ही चला जाऊंगा. I will go myself. I will go myself. तुम खुद ही चले जाओ. You go yourself. You go yourself. तुम्हें क्या हुआ? What happened to you? What happened to you? कपड़े सुखा दो. Put the clothes to dry. Put the clothes to dry. मुझे 5 बजे उठा देना. Get me up at 5 o'clock. Get me up at 5 o'clock. तुम बहुत बदतमीज हो. You are ill-mannered. You are ill-mannered. क्या तुम एक काम करोगे? Will you do one thing? Will you do one thing? तुम्हारा कोई भरोसा नहीं. You are not reliable. You are not reliable. तुम इसे रख सकते हो. You can keep it. You can keep it. मैंने सब कुछ खो दिया. I lost everything. I lost everything. इसे खोलो. Open it. Open it. आवाज मत करो. Don't make a sound. Don't make a sound. सब जानते हैं. Everybody knows. Everybody knows. इसीलिए. That's why. That's why. यह सब तुम्हारा है. All of this is yours. All of this is yours. मैं शर्मिंदा हूँ. I am ashamed. I am ashamed. अंधेरा हो रहा है. It's getting dark. It's getting dark. किसी भी समय. Anytime. Anytime. उसे अंदर आने दो. Let her in. Let her in. काश मेरे पास पैसे होते. I wish I had money. I wish I had money. इस पर एक नजर डालो. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. अब तक. Till now. Till now. मुझे बचाओ. Save me. Save me. यह सब मेरा है. All of this is mine. All of this is mine. बाहर आओ. Come outside. Come outside. मुझे जवाब दो. Answer me. Answer me. आपका दिन बहुत अच्छा रहे. Have a great day. Have a great day. आज नहीं. Not today. Not today. दिमाग का इस्तेमाल करो. Use your brain. Use your brain. अपने पीछे देखो. Look behind you. Look behind you. अभी नहीं, not now, not now. हे भगवान, oh my God, oh my God. मेरा पीछा करना बंद करो. Stop following me. Stop following me. कम बोलो. Speak less. Speak less. कोई नहीं जानता. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. बाहर इंतजार करो. Wait outside. Wait outside. जितना जल्दी हो सके उतना जल्दी. As soon as possible. As soon as possible. लानत है तुम पर. Shame on you. Shame on you. दफा हो जाओ. Get lost. Get lost. वो भाग निकली. She escaped. She escaped. हमने कर दिखाया. We did it. We did it. मैं बस अभी आया. We will be right back. We will be right back. उससे भी अधिक. More than that. More than that. यह एक जाल है. It's a trap. It's a trap. कौन जानता है? Who knows? Who knows? जुबान पर काबू रखो. Hold your tongue. Hold your tongue. मुंह मत बनाओ. Don't make faces. Don't make faces. भरोसा रखो. Keep trust. Keep trust. उन्हें सब कुछ बता दो. Tell them everything. Tell them everything. गाड़ी रोको. Stop the car. Stop the car. तुम बहुत पतले हो. You are so thin. You are so thin. यह कब और कैसे हुआ? How and when did it happen? How and when did it happen? वापस आओ. Come back. Come back. यह बेकार है. It's useless. It's useless. मेरे बाद दोहराओ. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. मैं चल नहीं सकता. I can't walk. I can't walk. यह कैसे हुआ? How did it happen? How did it happen? चलो छुपना छुपनी खेलते हैं. Let's play hide and seek. Let's play hide and seek. मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. Listen to me. कुछ खास. Something special. Something special. इसे मत करो. Don't do it. Don't do it. आप मेरी मदद करो. Help me up. Help me up. खाली मत बैठो. Don't sit idle. Don't sit idle. क्या तुम ठीक हो? Are you okay? Are you okay? भगवान तुम्हारा भला करे. God bless you. God bless you. सीधे बैठो. Sit up straight. Sit up straight. Or you can say sit upright. Sit upright. उसने कभी मेरी परवाह नहीं की. He never cared for me. He never cared for me. आप मेरा समय बर्बाद कर रहे हैं. You are wasting my time. You are wasting my time. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? एक बार कोशिश करो. Try at once. Try at once. बोल कर पढ़ो. Read out. Read out. समय पर आना. Come on time. Come on time. थोड़ी चाय ले आना. Get some tea. Get some tea. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. हिचकिचाओ मत. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. अंदाजा लगाना मुश्किल है. It's hard to guess. It's hard to guess. क्या हम खेल सकते हैं? Can we play? Can we play? बारिश हो रही है. It's raining. It's raining. बैठ जाओ. Sit down. Sit down. मेरे साथ चलो. Come with me. Come with me. हल्ला मत करो. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. लड़ाई मत करो. Don't fight. Don't fight. कोई है क्या? Is someone there? Is someone there? जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. There is no need to go. There is no need to go. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. I liked it a lot. I liked it a lot. उसे बोलने दो. Let her speak. Let her speak. इसे सही करो. Fix it. Fix it. इसे अभी करो. Do it now. Do it now. मैं सो रहा हूँ. I am sleeping. I am sleeping. वह बहुत अच्छा है. He is very nice. He is very nice. इसे ले लो. Take it. Take it. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो. You are very good. You are very good. क्या तुम तैयार हो? Are you ready? Are you ready? क्या तुमने देखा? Did you see it? Did you see it? हमें यह चाहिए. We need this. We need this. मुझे यह चाहिए. I want this. I want this. इसे ध्यान से करो. Do it carefully. Do it carefully. क्या वह यहाँ है? Is he here? Is he here? मुझे यह पसंद है. I like this. I like this. तुमने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? मुझे समझ नहीं आया. I didn't understand. I didn't understand. इसे मेरे पास रखो. Keep it with me. Keep it with me. वह कब आएगा? When will he come? When will he come? यह बहुत अच्छा है. This is very good. This is very good. उसे बताओ. Tell him. Tell him. इसे नीचे रखो. Put it down. Put it down. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो. You are very nice. You are very nice. उसे वापस बुलाओ. Call him back. Call him back. ज़्यादा मत बोलो. Don't talk too much. Don't talk too much. मेरी तरफ देखो. Look at me. Look at me. मेरी सलाह मानो, टेक माई एडवाइस, टेक माई एडवाइस। बाहर कदम मत रखना, डोंट स्टेप आउटसाइड, डोंट स्टेप आउटसाइड। इसे मत छुओ, डोंट टच इट, डोंट टच इट। वापस जाओ, गो बैक, गो बैक। मुझे देखो, लुक एट मी, लुक एट मी। क्या हुआ, what happened, what happened। मुझे माफ कर दो, प्लीज फॉरगिव मी, प्लीज फॉरगिव मी। तुम्हारी जेब में क्या है, what's in your pocket, what's in your pocket। जोर से बोलो, स्पीक लाउडली, स्पीक लाउडली। कुछ काम कर लो, डू सम वर्क, डू सम वर्क। थोड़ी देर इंतजार करो, वेट फॉर अ वाइल, वेट फॉर अ वाइल। मेरा पीछा मत करो, डोंट फॉलो मी, डोंट फॉलो मी। चलो घूमने चलें, लेट्स गो फॉर अ वॉक, लेट्स गो फॉर अ वॉक। तुम क्या करते हो, वट डू यू डू, वट डू यू डू। यह हमारा कर्तव्य है, इट्स आवर ड्यूटी, इट्स आवर ड्यूटी। मेरा हाथ छोड़ो, लेट गो ऑफ माई हैंड, लेट गो ऑफ माई हैंड। मुझे जाने दो, लेट मी गो, लेट मी गो। क्या मुसीबत है, what a bother, what a bother। गाड़ी धीरे चलाओ, ड्राइव स्लोली, ड्राइव स्लोली। आप जा सकते हैं, यू कैन गो, यू कैन गो। मैं अभी जा रहा हूँ, आई एम लीविंग नाउ, आई एम लीविंग नाउ। विनम्रता से बात करें, स्पीक पोलाइटली, स्पीक पोलाइटली। यह तुम्हारे बस का नहीं है, इट्स नॉट अ कप ऑफ टी फॉर यू, इट्स नॉट अ कप ऑफ टी फॉर यू। अगली बार, नेक्स्ट टाइम, नेक्स्ट टाइम। पिछली बार, लास्ट टाइम, लास्ट टाइम। बिल्कुल, ऑफ कोर्स, ऑफ कोर्स। मेरी गर्दन में दर्द है, माई नेक हर्ट्स, माई नेक हर्ट्स। मैंने पहले ही खा लिया, आई एट ऑलरेडी, आई एट ऑलरेडी। आकर बैठो, कम एंड सिट, कम एंड सिट। एक तरफ हट जाओ, मूव असाइड, मूव असाइड। आगे बढ़ो, मूव फॉरवर्ड, मूव फॉरवर्ड। पीछे जाओ, मूव बैक, मूव बैक। कितना प्यारा है, हाउ क्यूट, हाउ क्यूट। क्या मैं एक दिन की छुट्टी ले लूं, कैन आई टेक अ डे ऑफ, कैन आई टेक अ डे ऑफ। कल मेरी छुट्टी है, टुमारो इज माई डे ऑफ, टुमारो इज माई डे ऑफ। मुझे छींके आ रही हैं, आई एम स्नीजिंग, आई एम स्नीजिंग। मुझे रोज हिचकियां आती हैं, आई हिकअप एवरी डे, आई हिकअप एवरी डे। वास्तव में उसने क्या कहा था, what did she actually say, what did she actually say। भूलना मत, don't forget, don't forget। मैं हिल नहीं सकता. I can't move. I can't move. उसे ढूंढने दो. Let him find out. Let him find out. क्या खुशबू है. What a fragrance. What a fragrance. मैंने इसे अभी बनाया है. I just made it. I just made it. क्या सब ठीक है? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? मुझे पता था. I knew it. I knew it. क्या वो चला गया? Has he gone? Has he gone? वो अब यहाँ नहीं है. He is no longer here. He is no longer here. यह एक लंबी कहानी है. It's a long story. It's a long story. बाद में मत पछताना. Don't regret later. Don't regret later. इतने कंजूस मत बनो. Don't be such a miser. Don't be such a miser. यह मेरी किस्मत है. It is my fate. It is my fate. सोच समझकर जवाब देना. Answer me thoughtfully. Answer me thoughtfully. यह मेहमानों के लिए है. This is for the guests. This is for the guests. तुम्हारी जेब में क्या है? What is in your pocket? What is in your pocket? शांत हो जाओ. Calm down. Calm down. तुम कहाँ हो? Where are you? Where are you? मुझे कॉल मत करो. Don't call me. Don't call me. सावधान. Be careful. Be careful. मैं समझ सकता हूँ. I can understand. I can understand. तुम बहुत मासूम हो. You are so innocent. You are so innocent. क्या हो गया? What happened? What happened? कैसे हो गया? How did this happen? How did this happen? चिंता मत करो. Don't worry. Don't worry. ध्यान से. Be careful. Be careful. वो सही कह रहा है. He is right. He is right. मैं हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ हूँ. I am always with you. I am always with you. क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? बाहर मत खेलो. Don't play outside. Don't play outside. तुमने ऐसा जानबूझकर किया. You did this deliberately. You did this deliberately. वह एक जिद्दी बच्चा है. He is a stubborn child. He is a stubborn child. मैंने आपको उल्लू बनाया. I tricked you. I tricked you. कुछ कहने की जरूरत नहीं है. No need to say anything. No need to say anything. मुझे रुलाओ मत. Don't make me cry. Don't make me cry. इतना मेरे लिए काफी है. That's enough for me. That's enough for me. सब बेकार है. Everything is useless. Everything is useless. ऐसा कभी मत करना. नेवर डू सो, नेवर डू सो। मुझे आपकी सलाह चाहिए। आई वॉन्ट योर एडवाइस, आई वॉन्ट योर एडवाइस। आप मुझे कैसे जानते हैं? हाउ डू यू नो मी, हाउ डू यू नो मी। क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? मे आई कम इन, मे आई कम इन। मुझे तुम पर गर्व है। आई एम प्राउड ऑफ यू, आई एम प्राउड ऑफ यू। आज बारिश हो सकती है। इट मे रेन टुडे, इट मे रेन टुडे। ऐसा मत करो। डोंट डू दिस, डोंट डू दिस। तुम उदास क्यों हो? वाई आर यू अपसेट, वाई आर यू अपसेट। वह अच्छा लग रहा है। ही लुक्स गुड, ही लुक्स गुड। कृपया धीरे धीरे बोलें। प्लीज स्पीक स्लोली, प्लीज स्पीक स्लोली। तुम्हारी तबीयत ठीक है ना? आर यू फीलिंग वेल, आर यू फीलिंग वेल। क्या आप अभी भी नींद में हैं? आर यू स्टिल स्लीपी, आर यू स्टिल स्लीपी। बिना मोबाइल के बाहर मत जाओ। डोंट गो आउट विदाउट अ मोबाइल, डोंट गो आउट विदाउट अ मोबाइल। कम से कम एक बार तो आओ। कम एटलीस्ट वंस, कम एटलीस्ट वंस। क्या तुम अभी अभी उठी हो? डिड यू जस्ट वेक अप, डिड यू जस्ट वेक अप। ये सब क्या है? What is all this, what is all this। मैं थोड़ा ले लूं? Can I take a little bit, can I take a little bit। अभी नहीं। Not yet, not yet। पर मुझे अभी चाहिए था। But I wanted it right now, but I wanted it right now। कुछ गड़बड़ है क्या? Is something wrong, is something wrong। विनम्र बनो। Be polite, be polite। यह तुम्हारा काम है। It's your work, it's your work। मैं अभी व्यस्त हूँ। I am busy right now, I am busy right now। जाओ मज़े करो। Go enjoy yourself, go enjoy yourself। वह अब नहीं रहे। He is no more, he is no more। संक्षेप में बोलो। Say in brief, say in brief। उम्मीद रखो। Have hope, have hope। चलो कुछ खाते हैं। Let's eat something, let's eat something। मुझे थोड़ा समय दो। Give me some time, give me some time। यह तुम्हारे लिए है। It's for you, it's for you। यह बहुत बुरा है। It's awful, it's awful। जो जरूरी है वो करो। Do the necessary, do the necessary। खुद पर ध्यान दो। Pay attention to yourself, pay attention to yourself। मुझे आराम करने दो। Let me take rest, let me take rest। मेरे आगे चलो। Walk ahead of me, walk ahead of me। अपना परिचय दो। Introduce yourself, introduce yourself। उसका कोई भरोसा नहीं। He is not reliable, He is not reliable. मुझे अच्छा लगता है. I feel good. I feel good. उसे सीखना पड़ेगा. He will have to learn. He will have to learn. अपनी पढ़ाई पर ध्यान दो. Focus on your studies. Focus on your studies. उठना मत. Don't get up. Don't get up. बैठ जाओ. Sit down. Sit down. लेट जाओ. Lie down. Lie down. वहाँ कौन है? Who is there? Who is there? क्या तुम जा रहे हो? Are you leaving? Are you leaving? उसे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave her alone. Leave her alone. मेरे साथ चलो. Come with me. Come with me. यह वाला नहीं. Not this one. Not this one. यह वाला. That one. That one. एक और दिखाओ. Show me another. Show me another. फोन उठाओ. Pick up the phone. Pick up the phone. मुझे जवाब चाहिए. I need an answer. I need an answer. इसे संभालो. Handle this. Handle this. आगे जाओ. Go ahead. Go ahead. फिर से देखो. Look again. Look again. चलो खेलते हैं. Let's play. Let's play. अपना हुनर दिखाओ. Show your talent. Show your talent. कुछ करो. Do something. Do something. खुद से ले लो. Help yourself. Help yourself. चलो इसे करो. Do it. Do it. उठ जाओ. Get up. Get up. क्या कहा उसने? What did he say? What did he say? क्या कहा तुमने? What did you say? What did you say? क्या मैं यहाँ बैठ सकता हूँ? May I sit here? May I sit here? आपका दिन शुभ हो. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. Let me go. आप कैसे हैं? How are you? How are you? मैं ठीक हूँ. I am fine. I am fine. धीरे चलो. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. और धीरे चलो. Walk more slowly. Walk more slowly. मुझे दोष मत दो. Don't blame me. Don't blame me. हमेशा की तरह. Like always. Like always. अपने आप को बचाओ. Save yourself. Save yourself. मुझे ऊपर उठाओ. Lift me up. Lift me up. मेरे पास सब कुछ है. I have everything. I have everything. मैं इसे संभाल लूंगा. I will handle it. I will handle it. कहने के लिए कुछ नहीं बचा. I have nothing to say. I have nothing to say. मैं उसे बचा नहीं सका. I couldn't save her. I couldn't save her. तुम वैसे भी नहीं समझोगे. You wouldn't understand anyway. You wouldn't understand anyway. मुझे तुम्हारी ज़रूरत नहीं है. I don't need you. I don't need you. डरो मत. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. अंदर जाओ. Go inside. Go inside. सब बदल गया. Everything changed. Everything changed. तुम्हारे पास क्या है? What do you have? What do you have? उसे समझाओ. Make him understand. Make him understand. यह झूठ था. It was a lie. It was a lie. मैंने पहले कहा. I said it first. I said it first. इसे छोटे टुकड़ों में काटो. Cut it into small pieces. Cut it into small pieces. मैं किसी को नहीं बताऊंगा. I wouldn't tell anybody. I wouldn't tell anybody. आप जितना अच्छा नहीं. Not as good as you. Not as good as you. खुद को संभालो. Pull yourself together. Pull yourself together. यह एक जाल है. It's a trap. It's a trap. वह भाग निकली. She escaped. She escaped. मुझे जांच करने दो. Let me check. Let me check. उससे भी अधिक. More than that. More than that. नए दोस्त बनाओ. Make new friends. Make new friends. नहीं, कुछ भी गड़बड़ नहीं है. No, nothing is wrong. No, nothing is wrong. मैं तुमसे बाद में मिलती हूँ. I will catch you later. I will catch you later. इसे जल्दी करो. Do it fast. Do it fast. मैं अविवाहित हूँ. I am single. I am single. इसे करो. Do it. Do it. मैं पहले से ही तनावग्रस्त हूँ. I am already stressed. I am already stressed. उसे अंदर लाओ. Bring him in. Bring him in. बहुत देर हो चुकी है. It's too late. It's too late. यह काबिले तारीफ है. He is worth praising. He is worth praising. ये तुम्हारा वहम है. It's your illusion. It's your illusion. मैं यहाँ खासकर आपसे मिलने आया हूँ. I came here specially to meet you. I came here specially to meet you. वह बहुत घमंडी है. He is so arrogant. He is so arrogant. मैं आपको परेशान नहीं करना चाहता हूँ. I don't want to bother you. I don't want to bother you. तुम अभी तक यहीं पर हो. You are still here. You are still here. ध्यान से देखो. Watch carefully. Watch carefully. रोना बंद करो. Stop crying. Stop crying. सीधे होकर बैठो. Sit up straight. Sit up straight. ये सब तुम्हारी गलती है. This is all your fault. This is all your fault. कृपया करके धीरे बोलिए. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. बाद में याद दिलाना. Remind me later. Remind me later. तुम बहुत बातूनी हो. You are very talkative. You are very talkative. मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. Listen to me. यह कब हुआ? When did it happen? When did it happen? इसे मिटाओ. Erase it. Erase it. तुम इधर उधर क्या देख रहे हो? What are you looking around for? What are you looking around for? मैं चाय नहीं पीता हूँ. I don't drink tea. I don't drink tea. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? फूल मत तोड़ो. Don't pluck flowers. Don't pluck flowers. तुम कितने सुस्त हो. You are so dull. You are so dull. उसका पीछा करो. Follow him. Follow him. ऊपर जाओ. Go upstairs. Go upstairs. मेरा पेट आज खराब है. My stomach is upset today. My stomach is upset today. झूठ मत बोलो. Don't lie. Don't lie. आप क्या सोच रहे हैं? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? उसकी इतनी हिम्मत. How dare he? How dare he? थोड़ी देर और रुक जाओ. Stay a little longer. Stay a little longer. आप नाराज हैं क्या? Are you angry? Are you angry? थोड़ा सा भी नहीं. Not even a little bit. Not even a little bit. कितने दुख की बात है. How tragic. How tragic. बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Not the least. Not the least. आप होश में तो हैं? Are you in your senses? Are you in your senses? मुझे ऐसा लगता है. I think so. I think so. मैं खो गया हूँ. I am lost. I am lost. मैं मना करता हूँ. I decline. I decline. मैं घर पर हूँ. I am at home. I am at home. मजे करो. Have fun. Have fun. रहने भी दो. Forget it. Forget it. आराम से. Relax. Relax. आँख मत मारो. Don't wink. Don't wink. ध्यान रहे. Watch out. Watch out. मैं समझ गया. I see. I see. मैं अविवाहित हूँ. I am single. I am single. अरे अरे. ओहो. ओहो. बारिश कब होगी? When will it rain? When will it rain? यह संघर्ष करने का समय है. It is time to struggle. It is time to struggle. क्या आपको समझ आया? Did you get it? Did you get it? मेरा खाना खाने का मन नहीं कर रहा है. I don't feel like eating. I don't feel like eating. जरा देखने तो दो. Let me have a look. Let me have a look. मैं तुम्हारे साथ नहीं आ रहा हूँ. I am not coming with you. I am not coming with you. मैं आस-पास ही था. I was around. I was around. जो मेरा मन करेगा मैं वो करूँगा. I will do whatever I feel. I will do whatever I feel. मैं नाराज हूँ. I am pissed off. I am pissed off. मुझे तुम्हारी दया नहीं चाहिए. I don't want your pity. I don't want your pity. तुम कुछ कहो. You say something. You say something. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो. You are awesome. You are awesome. यह किसका नंबर है? Whose number is this? Whose number is this? उससे बात करो. Talk to him. Talk to him. मैंने बहुत सफाई की. I cleared it up. I cleared it up. मैं बहुत बढ़िया हूँ. और तुम? I am great. And you? I am great. And you? बहुत देर हो चुकी है. It's too late. It's too late. अच्छा खाओ. Eat healthy. Eat healthy. क्या तुम्हें सच में लगता है उसे सब पता है? Are you sure he knows everything? Are you sure he knows everything? मुझे यह करने दो. Let me do this. Let me do this. ईर्ष्या मत करो. Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. मुझे समझ नहीं आता. I don't understand. I don't understand. मैं अंग्रेजी पढ़ता हूँ. I study English. I study English. आपका नाम क्या है? What is your name? What is your name? मेरा नाम खुशी है. My name is खुशी. My name is खुशी. आप कहाँ से हैं? Where are you from? Where are you from? मैं दिल्ली से हूँ. I am from Delhi. I am from Delhi. आप क्या काम करते हैं? What do you do? What do you do? मैं एक शिक्षक हूँ. I am a teacher. I am a teacher. हमें अपने बारे में बताइए. Tell us about yourself. Tell us about yourself. दरवाजे पर कोई है. Someone is at the door. Someone is at the door. प्रिया आई है. Priya has come. Priya has come. आओ प्रिया बैठो. Come Priya sit. Come Priya sit. और बताओ क्या हालचाल हैं. And tell me how are you. And tell me how are you. सब कुछ बढ़िया है. Everything is very good. Everything is very good. मैं तो आपसे मिलने आई हूँ. I have come to meet you. I have come to meet you. बहुत दिन हो गए आपसे मिले हुए. It's been a long time since I met you. It's been a long time since I met you. मैं पानी लेकर आता हूँ. I will bring water. I will bring water. तुम आराम से बैठो. You sit comfortably. You sit comfortably. अब हम ढेर सारी बातें करेंगे. Now we will talk a lot. Now we will talk a lot. हाँ क्यों नहीं? Yes, why not? Yes, why not? मेरे लिए एक गिलास पानी लाओ. Bring me a glass of water. Bring me a glass of water. मैं गर्म पानी पीती हूँ. I drink hot water. I drink hot water. पानी गर्म लेकर आना. Bring hot water. Bring hot water. कल मैं सोनिया से मिली थी. Yesterday I met Sonia. Yesterday I met Sonia. वह बहुत उदास थी. She was very sad. She was very sad. उसने मुझे कुछ नहीं बताया. She didn't tell me anything. She didn't tell me anything. वह कुछ नहीं बोली. She didn't say anything. She didn't say anything. वह घबराई हुई लग रही थी. She looked nervous. She looked nervous. लगता है वह किसी मुसीबत में है. Maybe she is in trouble. Maybe she is in trouble. हमें उसकी मदद करनी चाहिए. We should help her. We should help her. इसमें समय लगेगा. It will take time. It will take time. लेकिन क्यों? But why? But why? अब आपकी बारी. Now it's your turn. Now it's your turn. अगली बारी आपकी है. Next is your turn. Next is your turn. दिल छोटा मत करो. Don't lose heart. Don't lose heart. सब हो जाएगा. Everything will be done. Everything will be done. अगला नंबर आपका है. The next number is yours. The next number is yours. क्या तुम्हें मैं परेशान कर रहा हूँ? Am I bothering you? Am I bothering you? नहीं, ऐसी बात नहीं है. No, it is not like that. No, it is not like that. मैं कर दूंगी. I will do it. I will do it. रहने दो. Let it be. Let it be. मैं खुद ही ले लेता हूँ. I take it myself. I take it myself. तुम अपना काम कर सकती हो? Can you do your work? Can you do your work? मुझे पता है. I know. I know. क्या आपके पास कोई जानकारी है? Do you have any information? Do you have any information? किस बारे में? About what? About what? ट्रेन कब आएगी? When will the train arrive? When will the train arrive? ट्रेन 5:30 बजे आएगी. The train will arrive at 5:30. The train will arrive at 5:30. ट्रेन समय पर नहीं आ सकती. The train may not arrive on time. The train may not arrive on time. आपकी तनख्वाह कितनी है? What is your salary? What is your salary? मेरी तनख्वाह 10,000 महीना है. My salary is 10,000 per month. My salary is 10,000 per month. आपके महीने के खर्चे कितने हैं? What are your monthly expenses? What are your monthly expenses? मेरा खर्चा 5,000 महीना है. My expenditure is 5,000 per month. My expenditure is 5,000 per month. आप कितने पैसे बचा लेते हैं? How much money do you save? How much money do you save? मैं 6,000 महीना बचा लेता हूँ. I save 6,000 per month. I save 6,000 per month. क्या आप मंदिर जाते हैं? Do you go to temple? Do you go to temple? हाँ, मैं मंदिर जाता हूँ. Yes, I go to the temple. Yes, I go to the temple. आप कितने बजे मंदिर जाते हैं? What time do you go to the temple? What time do you go to the temple? मैं सुबह 6 बजे मंदिर जाता हूँ. I go to the temple at 6 in the morning. I go to the temple at 6 in the morning. मैं वहाँ भगवान की पूजा करता हूँ. I worship God there. I worship God there. मुझे समय चाहिए. I need time. I need time. इसे तुरंत करो. Do it immediately. Do it immediately. क्या वह यहाँ है? Is she here? Is she here? उसे बोलने दो. Let him talk. Let him talk. वह पढ़ रहा है. He is studying. He is studying. मुझे अभी चाहिए. I need it now. I need it now. हमें जाना होगा. We have to go. We will have to go. तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? इसे मेरे पास लाओ. Bring it to me. Bring it to me. हमें समय चाहिए. We need time. We need time. तुम गलत हो. You are wrong. You are wrong. इसे बंद करो. Turn it off. Turn it off. वह बहुत अच्छा है. He is very good. He is very good. हमें जाना है. We have to go. We have to go. यह मुश्किल है. This is difficult. This is difficult. मुझे वह पसंद है. I like that. I like that. यह आसान है. This is easy. This is easy. क्या तुम समझे? Did you understand? Did you understand? इसे वहीं रखो. Keep it there. Keep it there. वह कहाँ है? Where is she? Where is she? हमें जल्दी करना है. We have to hurry. We have to hurry. मुझे बुलाओ. Call me. Call me. तुम कहाँ थे? Where were you? Where were you? इसे ठीक करो. Fix it. Fix it. इसे अभी ले लो. Take it now. Take it now. मुझे और चाहिए. I need more. I need more. वह यहाँ नहीं है. He is not here. He is not here. यह बहुत अच्छा है. This is very good. This is very good. तुमने क्या किया? What did you do? What did you do? इसे बाद में करो. Do it later. Do it later. मुझे तुम्हारी मदद चाहिए. I need your help. I need your help. हमें उसे बुलाना है. We have to call him. We have to call him. क्या तुमने कोशिश की? Did you try? Did you try? कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. Something is fishy. Something is fishy. मुझ पर एक एहसान करना. Do me a favor. Do me a favor. तमीज से बात करो. Talk with manners. Talk with manners. मुझे वहां ले चलो. Take me there. Take me there. मुझे घर ले चलो. Take me home. Take me home. आगे आगे चलो. Walk ahead. Walk ahead. मैं जा रहा हूँ. I am leaving. I am leaving. संभल के. Watch out. Watch out. ये सब आपका है. It's all yours. It's all yours. काम करना बंद करो। स्टॉप वर्किंग। स्टॉप वर्किंग। तुम गुस्सा क्यों हो? वाई आर यू एंग्री? वाई आर यू एंग्री? मुझे परेशान मत करो। डोंट एनॉय मी। डोंट एनॉय मी। वो क्या था? What was that? What was that? वो कुछ भी नहीं था। That was nothing. That was nothing. तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you want? What do you want? कुछ भी तो नहीं। Nothing. Nothing. मेरे सिर में दर्द है। I have a headache. I have a headache. उसे सब पता है। He knows everything. He knows everything.